I am doing the unboxing video of the KitchenAid stand mixer, which I got in ice color. So let's open this up. It came in this plastic bag, and that's how it was shipped to me from Amazon, in a plastic bag. And then, as you can see, it's taped here. There's a little cutout to, I guess, hold it. Alright, so let's unbox this. Okay, so let's see if the KitchenAid Artisan 5-quart mixer is really as good as they say it is. It says it is designed and assembled in the USA. Good sign. There is a limited 1-year replacement warranty. Visit KitchenAid.com for warranty details. Alright, let's take it out of the box. I'm going to have to put down the phone. I'll be right back. Okay, so I just pulled it out of the box. Again, it is sealed again. It is pretty heavy. It's 27 pounds. I read online, I believe. 27 or 28. Don't quote me on that. But, let's open this up and see this color. Because this is the pretty color that I saw. And, alright, so it shows you all the attachments and accessories that come with it. The KitchenAid Artisan 5-quart. Oh, this is a splash guard. I'm not going to open everything. Why is that already torn? Maybe it was just... I just want to make sure everything looks good, because I've heard that some people have had black stains on their bowls, which I believe, why wouldn't you wash it before you cook something anyways? But here's instructions and recipe for your KitchenAid stand mixer. Kind of beat up there. I don't know if someone else had this previously or what, but it looks a little bit tatty. Alright, I'm just going to pause for a minute while I get this out.
You want some light on it?
So, this is the beautiful product here. Now I'm going to slide these off ever so gently. Oop. Yeah, ever so gently here. And voila. There she is in all her glory. She will soon be making pavlovas and wind torts and all sorts of things. Spanish wind torts. All stuff from the Great British Bake Off. Oh, look at that bowl. Now, I've heard that there's been problems with the bowl being black. So let me just check that my bowl is not black. Oh, wow. That's kind of hard to come off the base at first. But I heard it kind of is at first. This whisk is a little, it feels dirty. I would just really make sure you obviously wash everything first. But it does look pretty nice. And I saw that one person's bowl had rivets on the inside, which, oh, mine does. Mine does have 2 rivet holes. Oh no, they're nicely polished over. There's no holes. Looks nice. Sorry, no alarm. No black stains that I can see. No blackness on this that I can see at all. And I heard that was a problem sometimes with quality control in the past. But this base looks amazing. I mean, it really, really does. Except for these 2 little specks here. Little dentage, but not too bad. Right here. There's a couple dents, but I mean, nothing like major, just a couple dents. And so there she is. So hopefully I'll be sharing more recipes and such later on with this KitchenAid mixer. Let's see how easy it is to put on the attachment. Wow, that's really easy. And then it just locks in like that. Nice and easy. Then pull the lever. Oh. Pull the lever. Put it into base. There you go. Beautiful machine. Beautiful color. If I do say so. Love it.